Do you know how your business is performing online? How would your website bring more sales and conversion? Before that, do you know why you need to fix usability issues of your website? In the next 90 seconds, I am going to show you what conversion rate optimization is. Hi, I'm Yassine Chowdhury-Layak, a business person and a CRO expert with decades of experience. I have faced these web-based challenges for my own business, spent a good lot of money and time in mastering the subject. Today, I'm happy to share my knowledge so you don't have to go through this hardship. The typical analysis results in a list of usability issues that, when fixed, can make your customers have a better experience on your site and make it more likely that they will come back. The issues that are needed to be addressed in order to optimize the website conversion rate are common usability issues: usable, findable, credible, delightful, consistent, accessible, clear, controllable, learnable, communication. Number 1. Usable. Are you sure that your website users are able to complete the tasks they set out to do without frustration? You know mobile experience is not ideal on all devices. On the iPhone 7, the menu icon on the homepage doesn't work. The icons at the top of the screen aren't self-explanatory. We recommend using well-known icons. There's no form on the Contact Us page. Number 2. Consistent. Is the design and content consistent through channels? Mobile design is not consistent on all channels. On the iPhone 7, if a user clicks Get a Demo on mobile, it takes them to a page where the image above the fold is missing. It just displays a purple background. There are huge gaps of white space on the homepage. When Services and Reports and About Us on the global navigation opens, the secondary navigation goes from right to left, which is different from the other sections. In addition, it becomes very difficult to read. So, the real question is, how well is your website optimized? Is your website a growth machine? Do you want to know how conversional your website is? Go ahead and click the link below for CRO reports. See you on the other side.